So our course teaches the model of pluralism. It's a framework of integrative practice. So I'm trained as a cognitive behavioural therapist, but actually I work as a pluralistic practitioner. And what that means is that I know a whole range of different theories and strategies, such as person-centred, cognitive behavioural, psychodynamic, and I can integrate seamlessly all of those different theories according to what the client wants at that particular moment in any session.
I'm very, very passionate of making a difference in people's life. I want to represent people from my background as well.
I chose to study counselling because, as quite a mature student, I wanted to change my existing career, which was a florist, into something more meaningful.
It's quite a unique undergraduate course. So this is about one-to-one therapy. We train you to work with people right across the life course, from children and young people all the way through to older adults, and also in different formats of therapy. So not just one-to-one therapy, but also online therapy, online counselling.
I really enjoyed the lectures on the theory of counselling, especially they were delivered by people who actually do the job. They practice counselling themselves.
The University of South Wales, they're very friendly, they're very supportive with the student.
Oh, the support has been fantastic. They really embody what they teach, which is about collaboration. It's about feedback, it's about learning what's working for the students and implementing that in their practice.
It's a mixed group, we all really get on, and we all sort of bounce off each other, and it's really, really interesting, definitely worth doing.
So on the course, Year 1 students are learned the basic theories and counselling skills to work with clients. In Year 2, the focus is on client work, on students being able to go out and work ethically and safely with clients in their placements. And then Year 3, it's about working with complex clients' issues and complex specific mental health disorders, ready for when they leave us and go out into the workplace.
The course being really practical and having that hands-on nature has allowed me to go into a placement where I've worked with vulnerable people and been able to test out whether, this is actually what I want to do. And I've now gone into already getting a job with where I've been doing my placement, but there's also a very strong reflective side to the course, and from doing reflections I've learned a lot about myself and how I interact with the world.
So following the 3 years of the degree, our students have had the academic learning, but also they've done their 100 supervised clinical hours as required by the BACP, that's our professional body, to be fully qualified counselling practitioners.
Our course is aimed at everybody. I think it's really important that counselling and psychotherapy trains individuals who actually reflect the diversity of our communities and society. If you have a motivation and interest in wanting to share your compassion, share your kindness in a more evidence-based way to help people with their mental health, we want you on the course, basically. We want to give you that opportunity to be able to train you in that approach.